Hello guys, here I want to show you how to swivel caster assemble. For swivel caster assemble we have required all items. First is swivel caster assembly, second is the double axle, third one is the axle pivot shaft M24 by 165 mm, 1 numbers, 2 numbers tires for 15 each, and taper nuts M12 by 1.5 each. Okay, now I want to show you how to assemble of swivel caster. First you have required one swivel caster and double axle we have put in the swivel caster with the axle pivot pin. Here want to see with the taper nuts M24. Now we are going to fit tires. Make sure when when you are going when you are going to fitting tire, then nut is outside, and the taper nut when you are going to fitting, then Loctite also to put in the threads, so it's a fitting is better. Same procedure in other sides. In one tire 5 taper nut required, so you just see how to fit it. And this is the final assembly, how to swivel caster is assembled. Hello guys, here I want to show you how to pallet assembly, final assembly. First, front of the swivel caster assembly we have put inside it here, and with the help of the nut. And second one is fixed caster assembly, we have fitting is here, both swivel caster and fixed caster assembly here. Now we are going to fitting brake tubes. Here I want to show you how to fit it brake tube. Make sure when you are going to fitting that this bracket ring is inside of the flat, and both sides of the bracket fitting in the inside. So just see how to fit it. Now here the final fitting of brake tube assembly. Now we are going to fitting brake rod. Here the brake rod assembly. Now we are going to spring, then spacers with the 3 bolts. Now we are fitting brake tube yoke. Then after we are going to fitting brake actuator. The bolt. Just see how to fit it. Now we are going to brake actuator link fitted. This is the bottom side assembly of pallet. Just see. Now after this all final fitting of the brake tube, brake rod, and the swivel caster, fixed caster, then we are going to now turn the pallet with the help of overhead crane. Here these nuts are will be fitted for the adjustment of the brake. So how to tighten up the brake, and this brake actuator link are adjusted for the handle position or downward and upward during up and the swivel caster, fixed caster. Then we are going to now turn the pallet with the help of overhead crane. Here these nuts are mainly fitted for the adjustment of the brake. So how to tighten up the brake, and this brake actuator link are adjusted for the handle position or downward and upward during of holding of pallet. Now here you want to show to turn the pallet. Now we are going to fitting of top bar with the half of 2 bolts. Here you want to show fitting of the bolts. Now we are going to foot pedal fittings. Just 2 bolts. Now here the final fitting of the top bar. Now operating. If the foot pedal is locking it properly. Now removing the foot pedal. Now we are going to fitting of the brake actuator link with the bolt. Here the brake actuator is fitted. The bolt. Here you want to show the top of the pallet. You see track lock are fitted. So you see. Now you want to see how to fit. We are fitting the rear edge. Here rear edge are fitting the bolt. Now here the final assembly of the pallet dolly. You just see all locking, all C-track lock are fitted, and rear edges are also fitted. And we are going to show you braking system. All braking systems are fitted. System. Thank you guys. Now I want to show you operational video. Now top are lifting the, when we are going to top bar locking with the latch pedal, and brake is completely locked with the tire. Now when we are going to release the handle, and brake is dismantled. You just see. Now I want to show you movement of the pallet dolly. Now here the movement of the pallet dolly. It's very smoothly, and one manpower is very easy to movement. Hello guys, here I want to show you how to assemble a baggage cart model number BT560. But I have shown you previously the fixed caster assembly how to assemble, and braking how to assemble, and road is how to assemble, saddle caster is how to assemble. Now I want to show you how to panel fitting arrangement full baggage trolley. So let's begin. Now here front panel is fitting done. Now here rear panel is also fitted is done. Make sure when you are going to fitting of baggage trolley, then all panel nut bolts are loose. Beauty of top panel fitting and all fitting so easily fitted. So now we are going to fit it side panels. Now here the side panel is fitting done. The front side of left panel, and here the panels. Okay. Now we are going to fitting top panel. Now here the back side view of the baggage trolley. Now I want to show you other sides. This is the fitting of panels. the fitting of top panel. Here we are going to fitting of top panel using by forklift. So easily we drop in the top panel. Now here I want to show to how to fitting sliding door. First of all, you want to see here two slots are given for the outside door and another two slots are given for inside, and both sides are given same slot for the inside door. So when you are going to fitting of sliding door, so I want to show how to fitting. First you want use drop inside the, then you put the slot and slide. It's very easy to know. Just see. Same. Now same inside door we are fitting. First of all, you first inside the top and then matching the slot and just pull and drop. And this is the fitting. Make sure the previous slot is matching properly and moving. Now let's show to how to sliding window. Here the sliding of the door. It's very easy and smooth. Same also we are fitting the all doors also.